Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Earlier this week, my daughter received her first ever piece of college marketing mail. She was excited about it, but the piece was small, and the photos and colors felt a little outdated, and there was a lot of talk about the school's history. She gave it a glance and shrugged. As a marketer, I couldn't help but to recognize the loss of an opportunity. She was focused and wanted to love it, but the piece fell far short, which sent me to the archive to look for energetic and inspired self-mailing college marketing ideas. I've got 2 to share today, so let's take a closer look. This first sample is one I'm bringing all the way back from episode 168. It's a prospecting piece from Cleveland State University. It's a very simple self-mailing format, a double card with a custom die-cut flap to close. The CSU sports team is the Vikings, so they use the mascot as an eye-catching die cut that serves as a way into the piece. It was held down with a few dots of Fugitive glue. The theme is 15 fun ways to engage at CSU, and the inside is filled with those 15 great ideas. Fluorescent inks, a bold and bright layout with fun images and typography, and a cool die cut. Now this is interesting to get in the mail. And here's a great idea from Kent State, a self-mailer in bold blue and gold. Open it up and a message builds throughout a crossfold with tapering panels. Inside is an attached 3-panel brochure that rolls down. This is actually a composite format, 2 pieces, a crossfold and a trifold glued together to make one combined format. You can see here that there's a tab at the back of the trifold that is glued to the inside panel of the crossfold. The personality of this piece is totally different, more sophisticated, but still energetic and youthful. Like the other example, it speaks directly to the student, not to the parent. Totally different personalities, formats, and color schemes, but both of these exciting pieces have different purposes. One is a prospecting piece, the other is for newly registered students to attend an orientation, but you can see that these self-mailers are made for young people. I actually think my daughter's mailer was made to impress me, not her. But I think today's examples prove that there's a way to impress both of us. Something to think about. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.